Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft XPS document writing not working. So it's very easy to fix it. So first you need to search Windows feature, turn Windows feature on or off. So simply search and open it. So in here you need to uncheck this Microsoft XPS document writing. So uncheck this box and click on OK. Restart now. So just click on it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you need to search again, turn Windows feature on or off. So simply open it and check this box Microsoft XPS document writing. Simply check this box and click on OK and wait some few minutes till this process will be complete. Now again restart now. So click on it and also do not restart. You select anyone and restart your PC other way. You try both way and after restart you resolve this problem. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and this method will be work or not and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.